Hey, what's up everyone? You know what? One 8.5 3D icons now available on Play Store. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to install these One 8.5 icons on your OnePlus OxygenOS 16. So, let's begin. Okay, guys, first go to Play Store, search One UI 8.5 icon pack and look at these. First, download this One 8.5 icon pack on your OnePlus device. After download and install, simply go to Setting, go to Home Screen and Lock Screen Style, simply scroll, go to Icons and look at these One 8.5 icons. Simply select these icons, increase all size and simply tap and apply. After apply, look at these new One 8.5 icons on your OnePlus device. So, you also install this new One 8.5 icons on your any OnePlus device. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.